show you how I turned my room from this to this. But before we start, let me change my dress. Let's get started. For first decoration, we need spiders, craft sticks, ribbon, and glue gun. Ta-da! This is how you do a spider web, and you can put a spider on top of your spider web. I have a glue gun to put on. My spider on. And then you count to 3 and let go. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Okay, friends, for our next project, we need circle leaves. You can see me in this hole. And some sparkle sticker leaves. You can use some houses or hats. But this circle we'll put on our stickers. Emily, do you want to help me? So I will start by myself because she don't want to help me. And I'm gonna use the grandma gun. She's gonna help me. It can be cake. Peel off. I'm gonna peel this one off, and I'm just gonna put it here. Just making stuff like this.
Te klein.
So I'm finished with my circle, and I still have a bunch of leaves. I can decorate my bed there or there. I'm gonna do both. Ah! Are you guys ready? Look at my bed. It's so beautiful. Before we do our next project, let me change this. Ta-da! We are going to decorate our pumpkins. And I have this special box for our pumpkin. I'm so excited to open this box because it has some sparkles, glue, and markers. I think so. For glue or markers. This is so cool. Oh my God. We have a sheet. a pencil, and you need to rub it on the back. You have a unicorn, moon, and a star. We are using a big pumpkin because the small one will be not pretty quite on this unicorn and the moon and star. So my mom is gonna help me to trace this, but you can trace this too if you want. I'm not gonna do this. And this is what we got. So now you need to do some glue on your lines, all the lines. You can use purple, black, and pink. I'm going to use purple first, and then you have to put inside some white glue and then the sprinkles. To let it dry. So it is dry, and now we are going to use some clear glue and then put one area if you want two areas like this with one color. Like you can choose those. You're going to do it one time and then you sprinkle the sprinkles. Pumpkin is done. What do you think? Do you like it? If you like it, click the button with the thumbs up. It's sparkly and my feet are sparkly. I need to go and wash them. By the way, on your weekends, you can go to a pumpkin farm, play with your friends.